Before we get started, I'd just like to briefly mention that this channel recently reached the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. To all of you that have subscribed, I'd just like to say a big thank you. I really appreciate you. As for the 95% of you that still haven't yet subscribed, I'd still like to say thank you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for any comments that you may have left. Hopefully I'll continue keeping you entertained and engaged with the content. So again, I'd like to say thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to Derek's World of Motorcycling. Dry sunny days have been at a premium in the UK this year. Us fair weather riders are still waiting for some of that global warming that everybody talks about. But summer bank holiday Monday was looking promising, so I started looking for places to visit. Unfortunately, the search proved to be rather difficult. It seems that many biker cafes are closed on Mondays. Undeterred, I consulted the UK Biker Cafes app and managed to find one that was open, namely the Dragon Soul Cafe in Newport, Staffordshire. It first opened earlier this year, and judging from its website, is obviously designed to appeal more to fans of Harleys and lowriders. But judging by all the positive reviews and smiley faces on its Facebook page, it was definitely worth a look. All on-bike footage was filmed using an Insta360 X3 camera. Order one by clicking on the Insta360 affiliate link in the description, and you'll also receive a free camera accessory.
Is that yours? Well, I've never seen one of those in the flesh before.
There was many in the wild.
Oh, please to meet you. Yeah, Derek.
Derek and Arthur.
Tell me how long we had it.
Well, this is the second one.
Oh, second?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you do like it?
Oh, yeah. The boot ride. Absolute boot.
Okay. Yeah. What made you go for it?
Well, it's a bit different.
Yeah, definitely a bit different.
Yeah, like,
Slightly.
but I tutor for Rossborough. So I take people who pass their motorcycle test and train them on to do advanced riding.
Wow.
And when you're doing that, it's almost like you're riding two bikes at once, really. So with this, you're picking your line on the road when you're riding. Well, this you don't need to just sort of ride to anything, really. Go way back just on the road.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Right.
So you can just concentrate on it.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
But it's a cracking bike to ride as well. Just notice you got two front wheels.
Yeah, there you go. Right, you have to tell the story again. You're used to it.
See a lot of people say, yeah, I did like things, 10, 15 years ago. But actually, the skill level you're at is actually advanced then. You will have probably, filled the tail off. Your awareness and hazard perception. still learning really. And then thinking riders, because a lot of people, you know, if you get the car, you put your seatbelt on, you go to work, whatever, you just get there, you know.